Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2022 70 Sun Deck with an outboard on it. This is one of our hottest sellers down here, and I'm going to show you why. The lines on the boat are absolutely gorgeous. Gives you a nice, real dry ride as well. It's powered by the brand new Mercury Verado, 300 horsepower. It's a ton of horsepower. It hops right on a plane, gives you a high top end. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270. Start at the back of the boat with a really comfortable 4 adult, even possibly 5 lounger in the back with gigantic storage underneath. That's where the motors used to be. So now it's just big, wide open storage, plenty of room for everything. As we move into the cockpit area, really nice, spacious, L-shaped seating with storage under everything. You've got a reversible seat here. This is a lounger facing this way when you're just hanging out. Then it turns into a forward-facing seat when you're moving. Opposing seating with a large cooler dedicated underneath. Great coolers completely out of the way. And this does the same thing back and forth here. The helm area, it's got the flush touchscreen with the Simrad. Really nice feature here. Really clean dash. And as we move over to the head, it's got the vacuum flush toilet on there. The vacuum flush head is just top of the line. It's that's the best. It's the best possible head you could have in there. And then down here we've got the dedicated storage. You've got 2 tables on this boat, so dedicated storage for the 2 tables. One for the stern and one for the bow, and then a really spacious bow area. So you've got plenty of room for another 5 or 6 adults up here very comfortably. Also, if you're going to go to the beach for the day, we've got a ladder that deploys out the back, goes right down onto the sand so you can step down onto the beach. You don't have to get in the water. Much more comfortable that way. And you've got a little shower right here to wash the sand off when you do that as well. So you've got the sports tower up there. It's a very cool looking boat. Runs great. If you would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.